Hey guys, it's Gracie with WTI, and no, this is not a bracelet. This is actually one of the cat collars that I just got from Taglory. We recently just moved into a new neighborhood and I wanted to make sure that our neighbors didn't think she was a stray cat. So I immediately started looking for collars online, and the number one reason I chose these was because of their reflective design. We have a lot of cars that drive by, and especially in the dark with her black fur, I wanted to make sure she was seen. So these have really helped to give me a little more peace of mind, especially when she's roaming around at night. Another thing that I like about these is they have a quick breakaway release feature. So in case she ever gets caught on something, I know she'll be able to escape if needed. They're made out of a durable nylon material, and I appreciated that there are no sharp edges around the plastic. Everything is nice and smooth, and I just love the pretty pink color. So these come in a set of 2, and one of them has this cute little paw print design, while the other one has a solid stripe. They also come with a removable bell. I keep one collar with the bell on when she's indoors, so I know exactly where she is, but when she goes outside, I put the other collar on her without the bell. She's about 8 pounds, and we bought the 6 to 8 inch size, which fits her neck perfectly. We've had these for over a month now. She doesn't seem to be irritated by it, and I love the fact that the color is staying nice and vibrant. So overall, we've been super pleased with these, but that's just my point of view.